Hey everybody, we are here.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Yes, happy St. Patrick's Day. We're green. We're green. We just made it on into Animal Kingdom here. Well, we made it through security anyways. And we're gonna go meet up with some of the group that's gonna be joining us today for the vlogs. And we'll see whenever we get there.
So let's go.
Let's go. Alright, there we go. The grand reveal. We saw the Tree of Life. It's real now. We're back at Disney finally after 3 long months of waiting. Oh, this is gonna be a fun week. We're in. Hey everybody.
I'm gonna start like jumping in the background of everybody.
Jumping around, everybody's here. We got the whole vlogging crew here today at Animal Kingdom. Woohoo! We've decided that we're all hungry, so we're gonna go try the Yak and Yeti for the first time. Never been there, don't know what to expect. We did it. But I'll be sure to let you guys know. We're here at the Yak and Yeti restaurant. This is going to be lots of fun.
Hopefully our landing card will work.
Look at that. Alright Liz.
Food's here.
Food's here. Korean barbecue beef and pot stickers. Then we got half chicken over here for Jared, or duck, half duck for Jared, and Wes got
The Kobe beef burger.
Kobe beef burger. All right, and then these guys got their food a while ago.
Yeah.
Wait for Just finished lunch at the Yak and Yeti, and now we are heading on over to Everest. I've only ridden it once before, so this is really exciting. Look at that mountain thing. The perfect photo opportunity. Everybody's got a camera in their hand.
We're all filming each other because we're starting to run out of content.
We are in line for the Everest. So we got the whole crew here. Alex is showing mega love and support for the On the Deal Adventures crew. Whoa! How's that hair looking? See ya! We got a vlogger train, a real vlogger train. Hey everybody! Lots of cameras up! Alright, there we go. Whoa! Liz is filming here too.
Hey Carlos, which side's the camera on?
Carlos!
The right, okay.
On the right, says Carlos! Oh! Oh, look at the detail! It's so pretty! I'm not ready to die! There we go! out. Quick, Liz, give me a hairband. Having fun?
Yeah.
My hair is blowing all over the place. There's our Yeti friend. Bye, Yeti friend. We'll call you Joe. Jesus! No, it's not. You're gonna. Oh, Jesus! I don't know. Oh man! Oh God, that was the Yeti! Oh my gosh! A gaggle of floggers.
Okay, and we're walking.
Alex. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. There's a little game going on. Alex is going to appreciate this whenever we sees the video.
You are covered in
Oh no! You gave it away! Damn you, Carlos! Son of a gun!
Jess wins.
I got your backpack though, there's more behind that.
Jess officially won.
Yeah, Jess won. We owe her a drink tonight.
We're supposed to do that with our own stickers.
Look around the way.
We don't have any.
Space is available for all advertising.
All right.
Channel, want advertise. This space is available.
Jess wins. We owe her a drink tonight. There you go.
Hey, how am I getting paid for all this?
Take them off or you want me to leave them?
I don't know about you getting paid, but I'm getting free advertising right now.
This is your first time on running the world?
They never let me go on these rides.
And now I know why, because I have no room.
Do you guys hear that? It's Carlos' first ride on Primeval World.
Our butts are too big. Way back inside. Older than the nerd. Seconds before the meteor.
It's like we're riding dinosaur all over again. Oh no. This is gonna be fun. Oh, I should really, really lock this onto my wrist.
I would do.
Oh, jeez. Oh, yeah. Oh my God. All right. Oh, shit. I'm gonna fall off.
Play hard to the dinos.
My dinos. Oh. Thus concludes Vlogfest 96 at Animal Kingdom. We're all heading on over to Epcot now because why not? It's Epcot. And Simple Plan is playing tonight. I don't know if I'm going to be joining, but they're going to be there. So as for anything else, yeah, like I said, that's it from Animal Kingdom. We'll see you guys at Epcot. Yeah.
No, it seems like a cover up.
I just want to touch it.
So it did work. So
Click the thumbnail on the right to watch our latest video, the thumbnail on the left to watch another video from us, or the center circular icon to subscribe to our channel.